In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI to build an app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right place and how to talk to the agent so it can help you turn your idea into a working project. First, open your browser and head to the Cursor agent page at cursor.com agents. This is the conversation interface where Cursor's AI focuses on building and iterating on software. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official site and that your internet connection is stable, because you'll be exchanging a lot of messages as your idea evolves. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your existing account. The agent may show a brief welcome message or examples of what it can do, and that's your cue that you're in the right spot. Now, in the chat box, type in your app. Think of this as your project brief. The more context you give, the better the results. Clearly describe what the app should do, who it's for, and which platform you want: web, mobile, or desktop. If you have preferences, mention a framework or language you'd like to use and call out any must-have features such as authentication, a database, file uploads, payments, or notifications. Constraints are helpful too. Share deadlines, hosting choices, or performance goals. If you already have assets like a color palette or a logo, describe the style so the agent can align the UI suggestions. You can also tell the agent how you want the output presented, for example, a step-by-step plan, file structure, or code snippets with explanations. Make sure you have an active subscription tied to your account. Access to certain capabilities may require it, and having it enabled ensures the agent can generate larger plans, detailed code, and more complete responses. If you're unsure, look for any on-screen notice about usage limits and upgrade from your account settings before continuing. When you're ready, send your message. The agent will typically respond with a plan, suggest a tech stack, and begin drafting code or file layouts. Read what it proposes, ask for clarifications in plain language, and iterate. You can request changes like use a different database, simplify the navigation, or add tests. Avoid sharing secrets such as API keys or passwords. It's fine to note that secure values will be added later. As the conversation continues, keep refining your requirements until the plan and code match your vision. That's it. Go to the Cursor agent page and use the chat box to describe your app thoroughly, making sure your subscription is active so you get the full experience.